Hey guys, back to my channel. Today we have a special thing, and first before I show you the thing, I want you to subscribe and hit that like button, and subscribe and hit that like button, yes, and hit that bell button, and make sure, I know I can believe in you guys, right? I can believe in you guys. If you make this to 11,000 likes, I might show you how it is at my birthday, which is in 2 months. It's December 14th. So get ready for that. And I'm gonna go somewhere and I'm gonna sleep in the doctor's office. Well, it looks just like a hotel, because I had to put these things on my heart and stuff. Because sometimes I snore and stuff. So, wait, yeah, just now let's move on to the And the thing is, so a lot of people have been doing this. And you know what it is? Slime.
And next, here is my
Slime. Move!
She has
Slime.
slime. When she's already recording.
Yeah.
Who wants to see yourself in the mirror?
Not right now, Ari.
Come on. Who wants to see themselves in the mirror?
No, stop!
Hi.
You almost dropped Daddy's phone. So, what do you want me to do?
My sister, she has some slime. She got it from Five Below. I got some Pockies and glow in the dark headphones. And if you want to subscribe, give it a thumbs up.
So let's go into my living room and we're gonna see our stuff. Hey, Mommy.
She always makes slime videos about stuff.
Like the Oreo.
And this one.
Or chocolate.
One chocolate or two Oreos?
2 Oreos. Oreo. This is my sister's nail polish. She's only 6 years
And
old.
there's Galaxy. And there's Blue Galaxy.
That's my blue galaxy.
And sparkly, pink sparkly. If your favorite color is pink, subscribe to Leah's channel.
Subscribe.
Holy boom! And we and I'm
You did? That's because you didn't want that. You wanted this.
well, I'm gonna record right here.
Here, give Grandpa one.
Hi guys again. I am gonna do I'm gonna do this Kiki challenge, recording it. I'm ready.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Sorry guys, I'm just getting some milk for my cookies. See milk. So I'm wasting your time, guys. Yeah, I just want this day to go good. So tomorrow, after school, when I get out of school, after school, I might vlog some more.
And if you want to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to www.com. Subscribe to my channel. You bet you have a great channel like me. If you don't subscribe, I think you wouldn't get sell. I think I wouldn't sell the slime to you. The slime. Well, it's actually not my slime. This is my big sister's. She loves her slime. She does not want to play with us. She only likes to play with slime. Well, let's see what's inside. No more secrets. Did you put a password on this? I can't open this. Sorry about that. Maybe I have to do the password code. It's not opening. It's not opening. You're serious. Can you
How easy it is.
And
Sorry guys, you're blinded already. Sorry. Let's go upstairs. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button like earlier. And I'll see you later. Bye.